Good morning, girls.
Good morning, teacher.
I'm very glad to see you.
I'm very glad to see you too.
Sit down, please. Girls, let's sing a song. Are you ready? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Louder. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Louder, I can't hear. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? 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 Okay, girls, so how are you today? How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm great, thank you very much. So, are you ready to start our lesson? Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. What day is it today? What day is it today? Yes, you're welcome.
It's Tuesday.
Yes, it's Tuesday. And what date is it today? What date? Ilana?
It's 26th
Mm-hmm.
of January.
Yes, it's the 26th of January. Thank you very much. And who is absent today? Who can tell me? Who is absent? Yes, Milana, you're welcome.
Aliya.
Please stand up. Aliya. Mm-hmm. Are absent today. Okay, thank you very much. Girls, I have a message for you. Let's listen and be very, very attentive. Okay? Let's listen and be very attentive.
Dear girls, my birthday is on the 1st of March. I'm 9. I would like to see you at my birthday party. My birthday party will be on the 2nd of March. Please come and see me. Your friend Alice.
What is this message about? What is this message about?
Happy birthday.
A birthday, yes. What else? Not only birthday, but
Birthday Alice.
birthday of Alice and birthday 2nd of March. Okay, it's the Alice birthday party, yes, and she invites you. So the theme of our lesson is the invitation to the birthday party. Do you want to go to Alice's birthday? Yes. When is her birthday? When is her birthday? Her birthday is on the 1st of March, yes. And when is her birthday party? Muslima? On the 2nd of March. Okay, if you are ready to go, I have some invitation for you. Please read them Take them and read. Sultana, this is for you. Oi, Safina. Miroslava, this is for you. Camila, it's your invitation. Rabia Banu, Muslima, Indik, Sultan, and Azari. Will you read this invitation? Will you read them? Okay, who wants to read aloud? Who wants to read aloud? Ilana, will you read? Dear, invite second
of March at
half past.
3:30.
What time is your birthday party? When? At time? What time? 3:30. Yes, 3:30. Where will it be? Ferry. RCVP to Alice. And the telephone number. 3
5 8 8
88
9
and 4. Okay. So Alice has a fancy dress party. What does it mean? Fancy dress. What does it mean, fancy dress? So Alice has got a fancy dress party. What does it mean? What should you put on? Yes, Sultana? Costume, yes, a fancy dress. So let's think about your costumes and then tell us. And you should guess what is it. Who am I? Okay? I'll give you an example. I will wear black and white blues, black and white jeans, black and white hat, and black and white shoes. Who am I? Are you? What? No. It's a fancy dress. I'm an animal. Yes, I am. You're welcome. Loud, okay? Will wear.
I will wear blue dress, yellow hair, and light blue shoes.
White blue shoes.
You are British?
Are you a prince?
Are you British? Yes.
Just a moment. Yes? Cinderella. Are you a Cinderella?
Yes.
Yes, I am. Okay, take a seat. Sultana, you're welcome. Come here. I will wear.
I will wear orange costume.
Maybe hat? No hat. Okay, what about shoes? Sultana will wear orange costume. Who is she?
Are you a tiger?
Are you a tiger?
Yes.
Yes, I
Yes, I
am. Okay, Camila, you're welcome.
will wear yellow dress.
Shoes, hat, yellow hat,
And yellow
shoes. Okay, Muslima?
I will align.
Are you aligned? Yes, I am. Muslima, you're welcome. I
will wear
wear. That's all? That's all? Все? No? What about shoes?
And white trousers.
And white trousers? And blue dress? Maybe tights? White tights? Колготки? No? Okay. Who is Muslim? Are you animal? Blue dress? Do you know, girls? Who is Muslim? Are you a rabbit? No.
Are you a cat? Are you fish?
Are you a whale? No.
Are you pink?
Are you penguin? Yes. Okay, thank you. Anybody else? Sit down, please. Anybody want? No, Muslima Miroslava, will you? Sultana, you have already said about your costume.
I will wear white
Skirt? Jeans?
white jeans,
Jeans, okay.
white hat,
White jeans.
white no jeans,
No jeans?
white dress
White dress and white hat, Muslima. Is no? Okay.
and white shoes.
Shoes. Muslima,
Are you a rabbit?
are you a rabbit?
No.
No, I'm not. Okay. Sultana?
Are you animal? Yes.
Girls. Who is Miroslava? Are you a swan?
Yes.
I.
am.
Okay, thank you. Sit down, please. Now, girls, thank you very much. Your costumes are very, very nice. But you have to say, do you like these fancy dresses or no? Do you like your fancy dresses? Yes? Okay, if you like them, you have to say, it suits you. Тебе идет. Please open your dictionaries and write down some words. It suits you. It suits you. Тебе идет. Or it doesn't suit you. It doesn't suit you. Тебе не идет. It suits you. It doesn't suit you. Have you finished? Okay. And if you want to say a compliment, you have to say, look, you look great. Ты выглядишь превосходно. Look great. Or look nice. Look great, look nice. Выглядеть восхитительно, превосходно, выглядеть хорошо. And if you don't like how does she looks, you say you look terrible. Выглядишь ужасно. Look terrible. Look terrible. Выглядишь ужасно. Finished? Look terrible. Выглядишь ужасно. Who have finished, show me that you are ready. Camilla, have you finished? Okay, girls, let's repeat after me. It suits you.
It suits you.
It doesn't suit you.
It doesn't suit you.
You look great.
You look great.
You look nice.
You look nice.
You look terrible.
You look
Terrible. Okay, thank you very much. Now open your books, page number 64, exercise 9. Please read the dialogues. Read the dialogues and then we will act them. Exercise 9, page 64. Exercise 9. There are two dialogues, Kitty and Liz, Mother and Sam. Please read them. Read for yourself. Read the dialogue. Exercise 9. Muslima? Camilla, read for yourself, then I will ask you. Just for yourself, про себя. Have you finished? Exercise 9. Exercise 9. Are you ready? Okay. Girls, have you finished?
Yes.
Azari, not yet? Read, okay. Who wants to read aloud? Who wants to read? Okay, Camilla, and one more. Who wants to read? You're welcome, Yaroslava. You will read for Kitty and for Liz. But you have to act. Сыграть нужно, ладно? Okay?
Oh, please, you
Look.
great in what fancy dress. It's so beautiful. It's sweet.
Suits.
Suits you very well.
Well.
in that yellow skirt. It doesn't
Suit.
suit you at all.
At all.
I like it. Tastes
Tastes differ. Let's translate this text. Idil, these dialogues. Idil and Sultana, will you translate the first dialogue, please? Translate. Oh, Лиза.
О, Лиза, ты выглядишь прекрасно. Ой, твое платье...
Нет, ты выглядишь прекрасно в этом
Платье.
party dress.
Да.
Party dress. Fancy
party.
вечернем или, да, в костюме или платье. Мгм.
Это...
It. Платье.
So beautiful.
Оно.
Оно прекрасно.
Мгм. It suits you very well. Who can help us? It suits you very well. Тебе очень идет. Yes. And?
Спасибо.
No. Just, Султана? Спасибо. I like it too.
Я люблю.
To eat. Мне оно тоже?
Мне тоже нравится.
Нравится. Okay, and the second dialogue, please. No, Muslim. Azalea and Safina, will you? Azalea. Oh, Sam, you look terrible in that yellow shirt.
Тебе очень...
Ты выглядишь
Ты выглядишь ужасно
in that yellow shirt.
в желтой
Рубашки.
рубашке.
Мгм. It doesn't suit you at all.
Тебе не идет.
Мгм, тебе вообще не идет. Султан, ой, Сафина? Well, I like it. А мне? Нравится. Tastes differ. О вкусах не спорят, это поговорка. Tastes differ. О вкусах не спорят. Now, please make short dialogues describing your costume or fancy dress. One of you will describe, описывает. One of you will like it and say some compliments. You look great, it suits you. And one wouldn't like it, okay? You will say, look terrible, it doesn't suit you. Is it clear? So, make dialogues in your groups. Who wants to describe? You will describe, yes? You will like it. You will not, okay? Okay, do in your groups, please, girls. Make dialogues. Who wants to describe? Кто описывает у вас костюм? Okay, you will like her costume and you will not. Okay? Yes, yes, and you will not. So, I will wear blue. Jeans. You look nice. And you'll say, look terrible. It doesn't suit. Okay. Now, Idil will describe and you should react.
My dress is red.
And you look terrible. You look terrible, yes? It doesn't suit you. Okay, are you ready, girls? Ready. Okay, now please. Oh, sorry. You're welcome. Go on, please. You look terrible. It doesn't suit you. Okay. Now please stand up. And let's dance. You have to show me how do you put on some clothes and take off, okay?
Okay.
Dance! I am putting on my jeans. I am putting on my t-shirt. I am putting on my jacket. I am putting on my hat. I am putting on my shoes. I am putting on my scarf. I am putting on my mittens. I take off my hat. I take off my scarf. I take off my shoes. I take off my jacket. I take off my t-shirt. I take off my jeans. I am ready Look at me. Okay. Thank you, girls. Please sit down. Please sit down. And now please tell me, what is the important part at the birthday party? The important thing at birthday party? When is your birthday? What is the important thing? Самые важные вещи. Cake. What else?
And surprise.
Surprise or?
Presents.
Yes, presents. Very good. Where we can buy presents? Who can tell me? Where? Where we can buy presents? Where? Where? Где можем купить подарки? Where we can buy presents? At supermarket and in the shop, yes. And let's think, what will you buy for Alice? What will you buy for Alice? Idil. I will buy
dog.
a dog. Very good. Sultana?
I will buy keyboard.
What? Keyboard. Very good. Present. Okay, you're welcome.
I will buy a beautiful dog.
A beautiful dog. Azale?
I will buy computer game.
Computer game. Okay, Muslima. I will
Buy
buy
beautiful ball.
ball. Okay, Sultan. Oh, Safina. Buy
Tennis.
what?
Tennis.
Tennis. Flowers maybe. Цветочки. And flowers. Okay. You're welcome. Buy. I will buy. A rabbit. Okay. Camilla? Rollerblades. Very good. Okay. Muslima?
I will buy dress.
You will buy 2 presents. Dress and a beautiful ball. Rabia Banu, what will you buy?
I will buy
A phone. Smartphone. Yes.
I will buy a beautiful pink and white bird.
Ball?
Bird.
What is it, ball? Bow. Bow. Okay. Now, girls, I know one secret. I know that Alice's parents will buy. Do you want to know it? Do you want to know what Alice's parents will buy? Do you want to know? Do you want to know? Хотите узнать? Yes, okay. You have to do some crosswords. Each team will have its own crosswords. You have to do them. This is the crossword, and this is the tasks. Open your envelopes, read the tasks, and write the words. Close your books, yes. Open the envelopes, take some tasks, and write them. Open your envelopes. There are some tasks. Read them and write the words. Yes, you're welcome. Read them. Put on in a cold. What is it? Yes, write down. Oh, girls, just a moment. Take these markers, please, and write down. Girls, you're welcome. This is for you. And this is for you. Okay? What is neck? What you put on around your neck? What is it? If you don't know, you can use your dictionaries. If you don't know, what can you in winter? What you put on your? No, in winter. Do you know it? Yes, write down. What is it? You can use your dictionaries. Yes. If you don't know some words, you can use your dictionaries, girls. You can use your dictionaries. Winter, zima. What you put on your hands, girls, in winter? What is it? No, not gloves. In winter.
Mittens.
Yes, write down, please. It's not a hat. What is it? Put on your head. What is it? Yes, write down. No, see. A. And B. Jacket. Use your dictionaries and. Where is your dictionaries? A. C. S. It's not. Is it one? Is it one? Where is the first one? On my feet. What is it? Feet. На ноги? No. Boots. Пиши прямо здесь. Boots. B-O. Yes, in spring. In winter you put on your mittens, and in spring you put on your gloves, yes. But it is one glove. One glove. Where is one? Where is the first one? Boys wear shirt, girls wear it is glove. Boys wear shirt and girls wear. Use your dictionary. A. No. O. Yes.
Мне задание сделали. Я не спала, интересно.
Не справляется. Здесь. T-shirt and cross it and write here. Use your dictionary, yes. Where is your dictionary? Use it. Have you finished, girls? No? When it's cold, you put on your jacket. No jacket. The girls wear the long jacket. Is the short one? Coat. Пальто. Coat, yes. Oh. If you are ready, put your crosswords on the blackboard. Put anywhere you like. Okay, thank you. Girls, are you ready? A. And what is it? Wear it on my neck. Neck. What can you wear? Right? Azalea, will you write yourself? Put on the table. A, F, F. Okay, and put on the blackboard, please. So, girls, put on the blackboard. Yes, take the map. Girls, do you see some letters are in the red squares? Do you see them? Do you see the letters in the red squares? Put on the board. So they are P, U, C, O, M, E, and R. This is, you have to find the key word. Найдите-ка, что дарят родители?
Computer.
Yes, they will buy a computer. Is it a good present? Is it a good present? Do you want Do you want computers? Yes. Okay. So, girls, we are ready. We have fancy dresses. We have present. What don't we have? What we have to give to Alice? We don't have postcards. Yes? Yes, let's make them, okay? You have to write down these postcards to fill the gaps. Write down, close your books. Close your books, you don't need. Write down the postcards. You have to write down to fill the gaps. Here we have to put our name and here we have to put Alice. Yes? Write down your congratulations, ваше поздравление.
To Alice, yes.
Dear, to you, Alice, yes. I wish you to be Alice. I wish you to be. Have you finished? Wishes? Yes. Just a moment. Who have finished, show me that you are ready. Who have finished, show me that you are ready. No. To be. Good. Nice.
I'm ready.
Okay. Yes.
I'm ready.
If you are ready, if everybody is ready,
I'm ready.
happy, maybe big, and so on. Yes. If you are ready, exchange your cards. Exchange your cards. Exchange your cards. Sultana. Just a moment. Check. You have to check. Проверить. No, двигаться, Софина. Check. Проверяем ошибочки. Check the mistakes. Find some mistakes and give them back. Milana, have you finished? Did you check? Проверила? And give it back. Give it back. Alice. 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 Подожди, еще не проверила. Исправляем. Check. Correct the mistakes. Have you finished? Okay. Did you check? Did you check? Проверили? Give them back. Milana, have you finished? Okay. Azalea, are you ready? So, who have 2 or 3 mistakes? Show me your cards. Who have 2 or 3 mistakes? 2 or 3 mistakes. Okay. Who had 1 mistake? Show me your card. Одна ошибка. 1 mistake. Show me. 1? Okay. Who made no mistakes? Show me your cards. Show me. You don't have mistakes? Very good, girls. Thank you very much. Muslima, Miroslava, Камиля, and no. And Sultana, you get excellent marks. Rabia Banu, Idil, и Milana, you get, not Milana, Sultan, Safina, you get good marks, okay? Girls, your home task will be do exercise 4 on page 63 in orally. Do exercise 4 on page 6, exercise 6 on page 64 in written form. And to make the invitation for your birthday if you want. Okay? Is it clear? Понятно? Okay, girls, thank you very much. And at the end of every birthday, we have a fireworks. Фейерверки. Take from these envelopes 1 star. Yes. Take red star. If you work very good today, red star you take. If you work just good, you take orange one. If you work just normally, take yellow one. If you work so-so, take green one. If you don't like this lesson, take a blue one. And please put them on the board. Come here and put them on the board. Okay, thank you. And take a seat. Take your seats. Put 1 star on the board. What? There are 2 places. Okay, thank you very much, girls. What a nice firework. Do you like our fireworks? Вам нравится наш фейерверк?
Yes.
Okay. So, girls, thank you very much for this an amazing lesson. Thank you very much. I like it very well, very much. So, the lesson is over. Goodbye.
Goodbye.